Okay, so welcome. Thank you so much for being here. And this time all of you are ready to meet more of our students. We still aren't all there in full force. Hopefully next year you will be able to meet all 100 of our students. As somebody who has a sensory need field, right? It's very easy. Actually, it's not so easy, but it's doable that I'm going to blindfold everybody. You'll know what a person who can't see feels. Hand band kar lenge. Let's just all sit on chairs and can't get up. So let's see what a wheelchair user feels. But sometimes a person, especially people who have autism, they have their sensory needs that are different, right? How do you even begin to understand how that person feels? Okay, so I need some volunteers from Indigo. Just put this in your shoe. पास इधर आओ. एक-एक अपने जूते में डालिए. पास इधर आओ. Just put it in your shoe and let's just stand around. Riya, okay, that's it. Not everybody has to use it. Okay, who wants to share what they are feeling? Come forward. Walk forward. क्या लग रहा है? चुभ रहा है and is it uncomfortable? Can you forget about it? If I tell you कि क्या हो गया? छोड़ दो क्या? What about you? It's irritating. Can you focus on something else if there's that? How many people are finding it irritating? Yeah? अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ इसको ऐसे ही छोड़ दो और अपना काम करते रहो, नहीं हो पाएगा? This is a very typical sensory need. Okay? Just imagine somebody who has a sensory need feels this way for so many things. Sights, sounds, smells, touch, कपड़ों की लेबल, लाइट आ रही है, चेयर अनकंफर्टेबल है, प्लास्टिक से मेरे को मैग्नेटिक शॉक्स लग रहे हैं, मैं बैलेंस नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा कि मेरे को कितना अपना हाथ हिलाना है, कितनी जोर से हाथ हिलाना है कि दरवाजा खुले. This is something that a person with sensory needs or a person with autism goes through every day, all the time. So for people who have a sensory need who are coming into your planes, into the airport, something must be bothering them about their environment, about their body, about their clothes, about somebody else having a strong body odor, about announcements, about the escalator which looks like Mount Everest. It is very disturbing. Let us all for once try and be sensitive. ये तो छोटा सा पत्थर है, yeah, but imagine if something like this is constantly on your person. You can't forget it. Anybody else wants to put a word to what they're feeling with this stone? Want to share? क्या लग रहा है?
It's not making me feel that what I'm doing right now, it's not making me concentrate on that because always trying to.
Thank you so much. He's not able to concentrate. And then we expect our children, as younger students, to go into school and study 1, 2, 3, ABC. वो पत्थर तो निकालो पहले. Otherwise they can't focus. So please remember this stone, guys. Another good example to know what they feel like is कई बार होता है डबल वो पहनी होती है स्लीव, नीचे वाली बाजू ऊपर चढ़ जाती है, and then you're reaching in, pulling it out. It's so disturbing. What if I tell you उसको भूल जाओ? You can't. Okay? So thank you. You can remove the stones now. Thank you so much. start and you follow me and then you take the lead and then anybody else can. So here are the 2-3 steps to this activity. What is the first one? Okay, and start. Go. Let's see how fast you can go. You have to get out first. Wait a minute, wait a minute. हाथ नहीं छोड़ने फिर पीछे भी लो well done.
Part of Evolver's employability skills program for the past 1.5 years. I have given a presentation at Indigo Airlines office in February 2024. Currently I'm pursuing my training for Amazon. My hobby is that I like to sing. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Siddharth. Very good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Siddharth Mehra. I am 27 years old. I have been a part of the Employability Skills program since 1.5 years. I have also done a paid internship at Amazon for 1 month. It has been a great pleasure learning at the Amazon warehouse. I have also given a PowerPoint presentation at Cushman and Wakefield where I spoke about different sectors or industries where neurodiverse people work. And I also... Thank you, Siddharth. Arjun?
My name is Arjun Talwar. I am 27 years old. I have completed my schooling from Senior School, Dholaka. I also love to play cricket and also be interested in geopolitics. I love to come here because they teach us how to talk appropriately and they also teach us how to deal with other people.
Thank you, Arjun. Mudita?
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Mudita. I am 29 years old. I have done my graphic designing course from Inge Multimedia. I have worked at Big One Group as an intern. I did my product editing over there. I have recently joined Evolver. I did English for hospitality management. Then I did Lauber in Bakery. I am for the skills program. And yes.
Thank you, Rubina. Ananya?
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Nina Kaur. I
I am part of employee at Evolve. At present, I was in Amazon training. I said good afternoon everyone. My name is Paul. I am 19 years old. I am part of employee group at Evolve. At present, I am part of Amazon training here. I enjoy this. I learn new and interesting in every day. I write music and go for long walks and make. I also learn cook a bit. Thanks. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Nana. Rupali?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rupali Prasad. I am 24 years old. I have been studying in Evolve's Employability Skills program since more than 2 years. Last year, I completed my Amazon training for 1 month. And now my next internship is Lemon Tree. And yes, and my hobbies are listening to music and complete my home assignment. Thank you.
Thank you, Rupali. Udyan?
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Adyan Singhal. I am 24 years old. I have been part of Employability Skills program since 3 years. Since October 2023, I have been doing my internship where I have been doing data entry, formatting, resource making and editing. My next job is at Lemon Tree Hotel where I will be doing financing.
Thank you, Adyan. Anshuman?
नमस्ते प्रिय भाइयों और बहनों, मेरा नाम सुमन यादव है और मैं 26 साल का हूँ और मैंने गुड़गांव इवॉल्वर सॉल्यूशन में अमेज़न ट्रेनिंग करी थी है 6 मंथ के लिए। और इसके अलावा मैंने यहाँ पे सॉर्टिंग और मदर बैग्स लगाने सीखे थे। उसके बाद जब मेरी ट्रेनिंग खत्म हो गई थी तो मैं अमेज़न वेयरहाउस गया था, जहाँ पे मैंने डॉट्स की कटिंग और मदर बैग्स और पैकेजेस को अलग अलग करके रखना जैसे वो इंस्ट्रक्शन देते थे। और मैं आप सबको एक चीज़ और बताना चाहूँगा कि मैं एक एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहा हूँ जिसका नाम है स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन 100 नंबर।
And you are smart. Okay. Next up, Kaveri.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kaveri Ahuja. I am 31 years old. I have been a part of Evolve Solution program in skills, and I have done internship in PBI, and I also have done teacher assistant in the Heritage School, and I enjoyed very much. Thank you.
Studying computer training class. I am studying Evolve Solutions. I am big fan of employability, skills employability. I am doing skills employability. I am doing internship and Amazon online shopping. I am studying in computer training classes. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? That's good. I'm Anjali Thilan. I have been working at Evolve since 8 years.
and I am a supervisor since 3 years. I work for the interns. So,
Bindas volunteer!
I'm sorry. Hi, I'm Anjali Dhilan. I am working at Evolver for 8 years and I am a supervisor since 3 years. So I work for the interns. I look after the interns, train them and supervise them. Our institution, our organization handles this institution for all the interns. I am a teacher assistant as well. I help the teachers with the classes, assistance and resource making. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Hello, I'm Isha Goel. I part of Evolver for now 9 years. I have a session in Sri Ram School and worked as a Sri Ram School and experience in retailing work, Big Bazaar. I done graduation from Sri Ram School and I done graduation from Sri Ram School and graduation from Vinayak Mission University, teacher assistant, student management.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
I am Kanika. Hi. My name is Kanika Jain. I am 31 years old. I have been working as teaching assistant in different schools. British School, Sanskriti School, British School, Sanskriti School, Step-by-Step School for 15 years, completed. As an intern, I worked in Evolia for 2 years. I joined as an intern. Working. I was a teacher associate by doing.
Well, everyone. I'm Parth Verma. I have completed my cafeteria course at MIT University. I have a 9-month experience in time storage and I am working as an intern in Evolver and helping everyone.
Thank you, Parth.
Good afternoon. Hi, my name is Tushar. I am 28 years old. I have graduated from this as a graphic designer. And I have joined Katha, it's a teaching learning material for children. And I got this opportunity to work with Walmart as a data analyst. And currently I'm intern here right now, helping with teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, Tushar. And finally, last but not the least, Meet.
My name is Ved Bajar. I am 35 years old. I like to play fake. Thank you.
Thank you, Meet. So thank you.
Yes, yes. Chalo, I complete all. Has had a broken bone. Me, my name. Has dislocated shoulder. On an escalator. Yes. Yeah. Has an issue with chewing sound. Yes, sir. Divided into two. Okay, so this is myths and facts. If you can choose, if this is a fact, you can apply in the fact. If this sentence are myth, you have to apply in the myth. Okay. Got it. That will create an assumption in Anjali's mind that I'm not comfortable and she's rude. But that is just a normal hi and hello. It's not a normal positive approach. Okay. Can we write it? Yes, please write it. Somebody feeling uncomfortable with it. So if you are feeling uncomfortable with the leg space, we have only dedicated seats.
करा के भाई
You can go in and do second also. देखो किस किस के पास है क्या क्या. Who's going to give the instructions? You have to read what is written on it.
So the respect in professional life as well as in our personal life, respect is very important. So without respect, no one will be happy, and our workplace will be also happy. So give respect and get respect. So hello everyone. So we are over here, and I'm just holding the banner alphabetic number C, youth community. So what does the community mean? So actually, when we are working in the workplace, we are working in only the team members, so we have to be very equal to everyone. So that we should not feel that we are standing on being alone. Once we are coming to the new at your workplace, also we should respect that also. Just come out around community. That's the
Empower means to me equality, same give and take, equality for each and everyone without any barriers.
Because everyone comes from different states, different part of India.
Enjoy the games. It was good. You had something if you want.
One by one.
Give one each. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.